2022 has arrived with higher prices for many key things on the farm. When could we see those prices go down? Clinton has more in today's analysis.
Arlan Suderman with StoneX joining us today. Arlan, as we start to talk about 2022 and looking forward, inflation has been such a big part of the story of 2021. What does that look like in the new year?
Well, I think inflation carries on in the next year. The question is, does it slow down and start declining, which would mean we'd probably start to see some money exit the commodity sector. They're using it as a hedge against inflation. Or does it continue to maintain upward momentum, which could bring even more money in? And so that's going to be the key. We know that the Fed's going to get more aggressive in the year ahead with maybe up to 3 rate hikes. I think they may need to do more than that eventually. But in election year, they're going to be facing some pressure not to push interest rates up too much. So they're going to be walking a very fine line, and the market's going to be watching it closely. But we still have trillions and trillions of dollars of stimulus still in the economy yet.
How much of an influence does the interest rate story and this inflationary pressure story have on agriculture overall?
Well, first of all, from the standpoint of inputs, interest rates on loans, et cetera, operating loans has an impact, but it also contributes to the inflation story. Obviously, we know about high fertilizer prices, high fuel prices on the farm, et cetera. But the other side of the coin is the higher prices for the grain we sell. When you have extra money coming into the market, see, a lot of people are skeptical and say, where's this inflation play coming into the grain and oil seeds? But I found studying history that we still manage supply and demand with the markets, but we tend to do so at a higher plateau level, at a higher level overall. The market perceives things differently because we have this added money in the market, all the way down to the cash price that the farmer gets.
All right, well, it'll be something to watch and a story to continue to follow in 2022. Arlan, thank you so much for being here. We'll be back with more Ag Day coming up in just a minute.
Contact Arlan Suderman by email at arlan.suderman@intlfcstone.com.